the whole nature has two important principles. One is self-preservation. Strive yourself to sustain your life and grow. Or the nature's law is grow or perish. If you don't, you'll perish. Grow or perish. Sustain yourself. Even a small insect, bacteria struggles to have its food and sustain its life. Otherwise it has to die. Senses are given to perceive, to cognize, to recognize, to understand what can be eaten, what should not be eaten. In this world, there is duality. We are in the realm of time and space. It creates duality to good and bad, right and wrong, poison and nectar. All these are there. This each has to perceive what is suitable for me. Each has to search his own food. Suppose there is a chili plant, I may not be able to eat a chili. Hot spice I may not be able to eat. A single chili, if I put in the mouth, it burns like fire. But there are insects which live on these chilies. They only attack only chilies and start living on that. It is nectar for them, it is maybe poison for me. There are some fruits, plants, which are poisonous for humans. But many insects survive on that. Even tobacco, if you put a little tobacco in the mouth of an insect, it will die. There are some insects which dwell on those plants, tobacco plants, and make their living. So each has to see what can sustain its life, and at the same time, nature gives an incentive of taste. If you feed a cow with grass, it will eat and sustain. If you feed oil cakes, how joyfully it eats, with great gusto. Like that, there is an incentive of joy also. Senses are meant to not only to perceive, but to enjoy also. Eye recognizes things, but the mind, seeing a thing, enjoys. A beautiful flower, a beautiful scene, it enjoys. Smell, bad smell, good smell. Good smell and it enjoys. All the five senses, touch, soft, hard, tough, painful, all this